Hey Com 110ers, how about a screencast to show you how to create a linked style sheet instead of inline styles. I'll show you how to do that. So you've got your My First Website folder, right? Inside My First Website you've got index to your images folder with your image inside of it. And if I were to open up my index file within TextEdit, you'll see that I have my style sheet that we wrote, all my stuff on it. And if I were to look at it in Firefox, it would pop up and go, cool, this class is awesome, here's all my different styles that I've kind of put in, and it's inline. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this. But I want to be able to have it appear also on 2.html, which just has a regular bogus style to it. No style. Style free. So I'm going to go ahead and on my index file that's got my inline style, I'm just going to simply select this, highlight it, and I'm going to copy it. Okay. Then I'm going to delete it, and then I'm going to save index.html. Okay. So now when I go back to index.html, I'm back to a style free. Alright? So now what I'm going to do is within TextEdit, I'm going to do a new document, and I'm going to do a paste. And that is the style sheet. It's got the style tag at the beginning and at the end. And I'm going to call this style.css, and I'm going to put it in My First Website. Okay? Click Save. Yes, I do want to use the CSS. And now, within my folder, I've got index.html, 2.html, and style.css. Okay, those are all in my file. So, but when I double click on this, there's still no style to it because I have to link to it. Now how do I do that? I can't remember exactly what I'm supposed to type. So again, you can open up a new tab or whatever, and you can go to most any website, and it'll have the code in there that you can grab. So I'm just going to go back to the website that we had before, arbor.edu/oat, and I'm going to grab the source code from that page. So I'm going to go View Source. It's going to pop up the source right here. And I'm going to go, here's the header, here's the title, here is the piece of code I need right here. And see, it says link href ACTE styles.css, and it's a relationship, it's a style sheet. So I'm going to do a copy, and this is just basically the code that says, hey, link the style sheet. I'm going to go back into my index in TextEdit. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that piece of code in. Okay, now instead of ACTE style.css, my file is called style.css. So I'm just going to take that off, and I'm going to hit save. Okay, then I'm going to double click on my index, and I've got all of my different styles here. If I want to now, because I've linked to it, if I want to now I can go into style.css, and I can change, like, this class is awesome, the H1 tag, I want it to be 22 pixels. So I'll do a little save. Come back here and hit refresh. Boom. Okay? So pop into any website, and you can create a new file called, sorry about that, style.css, put it in your root of your My First Website folder, grab a piece of code here for most any website that says link to it, and pop that in there, and you should be good to go with styling your site through a reference. And that's a quick video tutorial on how you do that. If you still have further questions, you can give me a call or shoot me out an email. Good luck.